So let's talk about lubrication. In that last example, you saw how we got quite different bolt tensions depending on how many times we tightened the bolt, and none of them were close to the 5,000 pounds we were supposed to get. The reason for that was we didn't lubricate the fastener. So let's look at the effect of that. As you can probably see if we zoom in with the camera, I've got fairly copious amounts of Never-Seez have now been applied to our bolt. I've applied it to the threads. I've applied it, most importantly, to the back of the nut and the washers, because that's the biggest source of friction. At the same time, I've reset my torque wrench now to the correct value, lubricated value, for my grade 5 3/8 by 16 bolt, which is 23 foot-pounds or 317 kilogram centimeters. Let's see what we get now as we tighten the bolt. As the torque wrench clicks, you can see I've got right at 5,000 pounds. I'm going to loosen the bolt off here real quick. Going to tighten again. And again, the second time around here, I get exactly 5,000 pounds. I'm going to back it off again here. Retighten again. And again, you can see how consistent the bolt tension has now become. Bottom line, anytime you tighten a bolt with a threaded fastener, we should lubricate unless specifically told not to by the manufacturer.